Yo guys, what's up? OPTCG here, and today I had to go to a blizzard, literally. It took me 4 hours to get my order. So yeah, it was a snowstorm for some reason. But yeah, we have 3 starter decks from the new set. I'm gonna keep one sealed, 2 are for opening, but yeah, that's for later. Because I'm definitely excited to play black. But yeah, so we have 1, 2, 3. So we have 3 sealed from a case. He opened the case and I got 3 of them. So let's see which one is the most beautiful one to keep sealed maybe. Let's keep this one maybe sealed. Depends if we pull something good. Oh yeah, and by the way, shout out to TCG Oosterwijk. He gave me this beautiful 2-player mat. As you can see, Luffy's on the other side. And yeah, big shout out because I got this as a sponsor. Didn't have to pay for anything. They just gave it to me. And I all get my order. So the 3 I got and the case, as you can see down there, they're all from TCG Oosterwijk. It's a friend of mine, so I order everything there. He didn't pay me. He didn't ask me to give a shout out, but he's a wonderful dude. He got all the stuff on time and he does it for very cheap prices. I bought this for like €88 each. So yeah, let's go into the first one. Okay, so I'm not sure if you guys saw it, but I already got a alt art Whitebeard. So I'm looking for a Whitebeard cards. And let's see what we get from this one. We have a Rossi Ante. I forgot his name. Rossi. Goddammit. Rossi Nante. AKA the... Oh no, never mind. I'm not gonna spell anything. But yeah, we have him. Good for in black. And let's see, we got Kaido, my main, Doffy, Diablo Jumble, Marcel the Teach, Husu, ooh, Gun Pistol, okay, nice. Is that Max Pimp? Who knows? But yeah, okay, so we're gonna open 3. I'm gonna use scissors, because I don't wanna rip the packs up. And let's see, we have Luffy and Garp. But yeah, I'm gonna go real quick through this, because I'm pretty sure everyone has looked videos or went to pre-releases. And I hope I look not all too weird with a beanie on. Man, I pulled this dude at the pre-release and now he comes back to me. Okay. And I traded this card for a Whitebeard alt art leader. So that's pretty funny. Okay, so that's the first hit. Let's hope I won't snap a manga ace. But yeah. I am looking for some Whitebeard alt arts, especially Marco, because I want to play Max Pimp Whitebeard. And if not, I just want to have the, how do you call it? The super rares. Okay, there we go. We have Marco, not the alt art, sadly. And we had Son Goku. But yeah, I'm just gonna go real quick, because I want to record the opening in case we pull something very good. Hey, come here. Oh, what is that? Alt art leader? No, it was a normal one. But we got Judgment of Hell and a Smoker. A really good card. Definitely gonna play it in my Kaido list. I'm a Kaido ooh, okay, all these packs are damaged at the top corner. Paradise, and we have a Inazuma. Insane card. Becomes 7k if you have no cards in hand or something. Yamato and Masked Deuce. Weird choice for putting him in this deck, in this thing. I wonder if Spade Pirates will ever be a thing. And we have Sakazuki. If I pull one more... No, wait, I have the playset now. Okay, I have a playset of Sakazuki because I opened 3 of him at the pre-release. And that made me win 3 times because, if you don't know, I won the pre-release 3 times in a row. So I have 3 promo smokers. Ooh, nice. We got the alt art Don. We got this one. But yeah, I won the pre-release 3 times, so I've seen all cards. And I have a lot of cards already. We got a Shiryu again and a Meteor Volcano. Okay, I'm way too hyped, or I'm doing way too pushed. We got a Meteor Volcano and a Vista. I already have a playset of Vista. And for some reason, I don't have a Kingdu. So I opened 16 packs at pre-release and no Kingdu. So that's kind of weird. Oh, right, nice. Alt Art Leader, Monkey D. Garp. And we got a Sengoku. Yeah, not gonna lie. Monkey D. Garp, pretty sick. Okay, so we have one more hit. Hoping for a white beard alt art. I already have the leader, so there we go. Come on, bless me with a manga. We have Kuzan, Shiki. Okay, I've gotta sleeve the Monkey D. Garp pretty soon up. I will show you what sleeves I use. I use the best sleeves ever. Okay, we got Vista. Yep, there goes Vista. Hello, Vista, don't leave me. Okay, we have Vista. What do we have? We have Luffy, SR. I'm hoping for squad box toppers. We have the 0 cost event and a Carrot in her Sulong form. Pretty cool card. I hope we get a Minx leader or set or whatever. We got a Shiki and a Kobe. Kobe really good. Shiki also very good. Definitely a must in Kaido decks. 2k counter and its trigger play, so you can threaten some cards. Okay, we got Kobe and we have Jozu. Okay, so basically I already have a playset of almost every normal card for Whitebeard except for the Marcos. And I am not gonna run Ace in Whitebeard because Ace is a bad card in my opinion. Oh, okay, the timing. We pulled Ace and Jozu. But yeah, 7 cost, -2, 2 times, 2k against Rush. Not really needed in my opinion, at least in the build that I will play. So deck profile coming up pretty soon. Okay, so I don't want to edit this video. Okay, nice. We got a Whitebeard, so that means I have 3 right now. So 1 more, and we have a playset for Zoro. And I have a lot of people who want to trade or sell me stuff. We got a Ivankov. Okay, so this should be the secret hit, maybe. Who knows? I mean, a alt art. Nope. Okay, so I only got a secret and a leader. Okay, so I use these sleeves. They are called sealable inner sleeves from Dragon Shield. So basically, as you can see, you just take your card, you put it in, and then you take this flap, and then you put it like this, so it goes in the card, and then you just do it, and then you have, voila, a 360 sealed card. So yeah, that can go there, and then you can come here. Okay, so a friend of mine, Nick, who you probably know from the channel, he got 3 boxes, he pulled 3 alt art leaders. So I hope we didn't share the same case. Let's hope. Okay, but that's 1. I am just gonna move these cards. Gotta do very carefully, not to damage them. Okay, so these are these. Okay, so we got only one Marco as a rare. That's pretty insane. But yeah, let's go into the next one. Let's see. We're gonna go quick because I have to sort out, and I have a local tomorrow, and it's already almost 12 o'clock in the evening, so it's 11 p.m. and I have to wake up in like 6 hours because I have to travel to the Netherlands to go to a local. Hope I can win with Whitebeard. Whitebeard is the dream. Okay, what do we have here? Some Rata cards. Crocodile, Nami, Straw, Onigashima. I love Onigashima. I went 6-3 at the the Treasure Cup in Germany because I saw Onigashima every time. Oh yeah, we got squared. Let's go. Okay. Can we get a manga ace from here? Or a alt art white bear character? Okay. We got Nami and Marco. Okay, I'm really sorry if I go too quick. I don't want to make a all too long video, and I want to order the cards. We got a Odin again. Okay, I think I have to play Odin. That's it. I have to play Kinemon. I'm definitely gonna try Odin in OP-02. I think Odin will be very strong in this format. People have been sleeping on him. So, let's see if he can become any good. I'm really scared to cut a card through. Just hoping it's not a... yeah, okay, somewhere. You cannot see the cards. I'm going too quick. Okay, I don't know why, but for some reason all the cards packs are dented. At the top, Yamato. As you can see, all those things are for some reason fucked at the top. Yeah, I cannot curse because then I might lose a Bandai sponsorship in the future. Kuzan, Paradise. Okay, seeing as we go like this, I would have to buy a lot of cards from people at locals to get Max Pimp Whitebeard. Because I don't think we will hit any Whitebeard cards. I think I should play Marines Black. No, wait. There you go. I mean, Garb is pretty hype. Sakazuki. Okay, so now I have more than a playset. So I will definitely sell my Sakazukis. Come on, give me some alt arts that are nice. Okay, we got a Impel Down pack. And I'm sorry for the quality. I'm filming on my phone. For some reason, it won't get the 4K option. Oh boy. That is one of my chase cards. Definitely one of my chase cards. Thank God I have some people who are gonna sell theirs to my... Yeah. White bear is meant for me, guys. I will win with Whitebeard. But I won't play this card in Whitebeard. I'm gonna play it in Zoro. I don't know why, but I think that Edward Newgate is a bad card for Whitebeard pure in a deck, pure. It's 9 Dons. You would rather just focus on Moby Dick. But definitely in Zoro. In another deck, red decks is definitely a staple. Okay, but now's the question. Can we pull a manga ace? Probably not, but who knows? Okay, we got a secret. That is too bad. So that means 1 hit or nothing. We got an ace, and we got a Jozu. Oh boy. Did I pick the short end of the loose boxes? Oh, I got this pack way too close. Okay. Yo, sick. We got double Whitebeard in this pack. Okay, so now I definitely have my Whitebeard playset complete, so I can sell the Whitebeards. Because they are pretty expensive. Okay, we have Marco. So I think that is at least a playset of Marcos already. I hope. Seaquake, Hina. Seaquake is a really good card. Okay, we have 4 more packs left. Can we hit anything? Carrots and Gum Rain. Bro, give me Manga Ace. And also, where's my Dom? Is it really at the bottom? Is this the... Oh, wow. Okay, last pack. Do we get any luck? Or is this a big L? Well, at least we can know that we... Huh? Did I miss the Dom? Hey, what is this? I think I missed the Dom or not. Hey, yo. Error box? No Dom? Hello? Bro, where's my Dom? Yeah, I got scammed. Hey, yo, for real. Where's my Dom? Bro, what? Okay. Whew. Okay, yeah, this was not a good box. I mean, it was good. We have a, you know what I mean? We have these bad boys ready to win some locals tomorrows. Okay, yeah, last box. Please be good. Plus I'm gonna cry. Come on, give me Manga Ace. I love Ace. I think everybody loves Ace. And whoever says donut in my comments, I will ban you. That joke is overused. Can we get a Squart? No, we got a Tashigi. That's too bad. That means I have to buy some Squarts. We got Crocodile, Guard Point, non-foil. Okay. Let's go straight into the pack. I think this video will be under 30 minutes. Because right now we're at 18. Sakazuki, yeah. No, okay, I think I have like 8 Sakazukis right now. Definitely gonna sell those cards. We got these. I hope we can get a Smoker Leader. And I don't hope we pull a Whitebeard Auto Leader, because I already have one. Hoping for a Ace. Please, Ace. I got you on the playmat. Man, when I have Verizon Kus, I don't think, oh, it's Ace, because almost the same background, white. Yeah, okay. I think we got 3 bad boxes. Can't blame. I should have bought a case. Yeah, okay, we got Ivankov All Art. Meh. I would have rather had an Ace. I'm also hoping for a how do you call it? A Marco alt art. Okay, totally messed up this pack. We got a film Luffy. Okay, next time at OP-03 or future box openings. Damn. I think I have to quit this box and sell my packs. We cannot hit anything anymore, I think. Can we please hit something? Not even an Uta. Okay. Ace. Okay, I'm pulling a lot of aces, but not the ace that I want. Come on, come on. Ooh, nice. We got Whitebeard. Okay. So I definitely have a playset of Whitebeards, which I can play and flex on people. Is it me or am I pulling very weird rares? Ooh. Oh no. For a second I thought it was manga ace. For a second. Okay. Well, that's it for the pull rates. Bro, I thought it was manga for a second. I saw his head before I saw the rest of the body. So, who wants to buy my last remaining packs? Oh well. At least I had 3 hits. Okay, there we go. Marco, Borsellino. I think Borsellino is like the least pulled Marine Super. Got alt art. Okay, I hope you guys didn't click away. Probably did, because I have no hits left anymore. Ace. Why are you not manga? Why? Okay, there we go. Marco, so that means I will definitely have a playset right now. And we got this. Okay. Yo, everything is a mess here. So we, oh, there are 2 of them. So we take the card, we slide it in. Going very difficult. So it's card thicker than usual. And we're not going in. Okay, so at least we have a very beautiful ace card. This ace is really nice. I gotta get a playset of this one. Okay, so we have the secret. Also getting... Oh, I don't know why, but these cards are going very hard in the sleeve. Or the sleeves are smaller, or the cards are bigger. Oh yeah, I'm sorry, you guys cannot see it. I'm just gonna do this real quick and then do a final showing of the cards. I'm not gonna edit this video, I'm just gonna throw it around on YouTube. Okay, come on, go in. And the last one. There we go. Nope. Good, you didn't see that. I almost destroyed the card, I think. But yeah, double sealable cards sleeves are great because you can protect your cards. So yeah, okay, so my entire table is a massive mess, but let's see. So yeah, these are the hits. We got Ivankov, we got Secret, we got Ace, we have the card I wanted, Whitebeard, Newgate, Kuzan, Secret Alt Art, Monkey D. Garp, and a regular. So yeah, I have to buy a lot of max rarity cards. This won't feed my thirst for shiny cardboards. But yeah guys, if you enjoyed this video, give it a like. If you dislike it, give it a dislike. Subscribe to me, we're at 420. Haha, make the blazing joke, whatever. But yeah, I'm gonna open more products if I get my hands on. I will have one more booster box coming up soon, because another place is selling one, and they DM'd me for another one. So yeah, and I have a pre-release Sunday, so I might be 4-time OPTCG Daniel winner pre-release. But yeah, guys, thanks for watching. Really quick video. I just want to give it on release day. Just go right through it, put it up, and yeah. See you guys.